The DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the most exciting drone release of 2025. It's not just a minor upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro. It's a big step forward. Leaks, filings, and field footage all suggest this is a serious redesign. DJI seems ready to change what a sub to 150 grams drone can do. And if what we've seen is real, the Mini 5 Pro may not just be small. It might also be one of the smartest and most powerful drones ever made in its class. Let's start with the basics. The DJI Mini series has always had one major goal: keep the weight under 250 grams. That's the legal limit in many countries to avoid extra drone regulations. Below that weight, you don't need licenses in some regions. There's less red tape, you get more freedom to fly. But staying under that limit means you can't adjust anything. You have to make smart choices. DJI seems to have made those smart choices. Leaked documents show the Mini 5 Pro might carry a 33.5 watt-hour battery, up from just under 19 on the Mini 4 Pro. That's a huge change. It could mean flight times of nearly 50 minutes, compared to the 30 minutes we've gotten used to. For drone pilots, more time in the air means more shots, less downtime, and fewer battery swaps. That alone makes this drone a game changer. And it gets better. The design is evolving. Early leaks caused concern when a one-piece propeller design was spotted. People feared that DJI had removed the folding arms, one of the best features in the Mini lineup, but new footage quickly showed that the folding arms are staying. The one-piece propeller design comes with clip-on prop guards. These are optional. You can use them when flying indoors or near people. Or leave them off when you're outside and need to keep weight low. That flexibility matters. DJI is focusing more on modular design. The Mini 5 Pro isn't a drone that forces you to choose safety or performance. Instead, it adapts to your situation. Clip-on guards give you the safety you need when you want it. And when you don't, you fly free and light. It's a smarter way to fly. It respects your environment, but also respects your need for performance. Now, let's talk about propellers. The new one-piece props have a stronger hub, and the leaks suggest they attach with a quick-release pin system. That means you no longer need tools to change blades. No more tiny screws to lose in the grass, no more delays mid-shoot. Just pull a pin, swap a prop, and you're flying again. For vloggers, travel creators, or anyone filming on location, this is a major quality of life upgrade. It cuts prep time and keeps you focused on the mission. The prop design itself is smarter. 2. Folding props are still part of the setup, but the structure is more rigid and balanced. That helps cut vibration, and less vibration means smoother video and less wear on your gimbal and motors. DJI also updated the look and finish. The Mini 5 Pro ditches the light gray shell for a darker, matte gray exterior. It's more professional. It also reduces glare from sunlight, which helps both the pilot and the sensors. It looks more like DJI's larger Mavic drones, giving it a premium vibe despite its small size. The arms are sleeker. The edges are more curved. That helps with wind resistance. Small aerodynamic improvements like this can lead to better stability, especially in gusty conditions. And yes, that matters for video. Less drift in the air means steadier tracking shots. It means your framing stays solid. Whether you're following a car down a winding road or hovering near a cliff for a wide scenic shot, every bit of added stability gives you cleaner, more professional footage. The gimbal also looks stronger. Photos show a beefed-up gimbal mount. That suggests better durability and steadier movement. A stronger gimbal means better footage, even when the drone shakes or shifts suddenly. That matters when filming in wind, at speed, or near trees. And because the camera is central to every drone, protecting it is key. The clip-on prop guards may also help protect the gimbal during rough landings or close indoor flights. But the biggest surprise might be the sensor. The Mini 4 Pro used a 1.3-inch sensor. The Mini 5 Pro might jump to a full 1-inch sensor. That's a huge deal. bigger sensors capture more light. More light means better low light performance, cleaner images, and wider dynamic range. Dusk, dawn, cloudy days, your footage will look sharper and more cinematic. You'll also get more color data, which means easier editing later. There's even talk of 4,000 at 120 frames per second. If that's true, it means ultra-smooth slow-motion video. Without needing any third-party rigs or editing tricks, you can capture water splashes, running animals, or action scenes in stunning clarity. This opens up new creative options, especially for solo creators or outdoor filmmakers. Now let's go under the hood again. The leaked FCC documents show upgraded wireless performance. DJI is using a new radio frequency system with a reported range of up to 25 kilometers, or about 15 miles. That's almost double what the Mini 4 Pro offered. A longer range means you can fly farther, especially in open areas like deserts, beaches, or forests. It also means stronger signal stability. You don't just get more distance, you also get better connection, which means fewer dropouts and safer returns. That's especially useful for return-to-home features. If something goes wrong, a solid signal helps the drone come back safely. And if you're filming near water, cliffs, or tall buildings, that extra safety net matters. Obstacle avoidance is also expected to get smarter. The Mini 5 Pro seems to have fisheye vision sensors on the top shell and dual front sensors flush with the body. It probably won't match the full 360-degree system from DJI's higher-end Mavic 4, but it will likely outperform both the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3. That means better object tracking, smarter autonomous movement, and fewer crashes with better sensors and a likely onboard AI chip. You can expect smoother performance from DJI's smart modes like ActiviTrack, Spotlight, and Point of Interest. These modes are where DJI really shines. They make it easy to get shots that look like they came from a full crew. Now with better hardware, those tools get even better. The motors are also getting an upgrade. New leaked photos show black motors with visible vents. That tells us DJI is thinking about heat. Motors generate a lot of heat during long or fast flights. Built-in cooling helps keep performance high and wear low. In hot weather or during steep climbs, cooler motors mean longer flying, fewer shutdowns, and more consistent power delivery. All these changes point to one goal: creating a drone that feels like a Mavic but weighs like a Mini. That's not easy to do. But DJI has the engineering power to pull it off. So when is this drone arriving? Initial leaks suggested a September 2025 launch. But now, new insider tips point to an earlier release, August 7, 2025, with a teaser dropping on July 31st. DJI is known for cryptic teasers. They like to drop hints, create buzz, and then launch quickly. That means the clock is ticking. If you're thinking of buying a drone, this might be the one worth waiting for. So let's summarize what we've seen so far. The Mini 5 Pro keeps the weight below 249 grams. But somehow it adds a bigger battery, a bigger sensor, better motors, and smarter software. It may shoot 4K slow-mo at 1.2 fps. It may fly for nearly 50 minutes. It folds, it's compact. It may fly farther and avoid obstacles better than ever. And it could become the new gold standard for drone creators who care about power, portability, and legal flexibility.